Yesterday in last class we have completed this part, like we have created one nav bar, and we have seen that how to hide and unhide the nav bar, and we have seen that this is your project. We have seen that how to create a fixed um, icons that wherever you move your slides, but icon place will be fixed, and you can click on the icon to go to that particular page. And we have seen how to apply the slides. So a transition here, and this multiple grid system or complex grid system we have completed. Today we will start from how to apply the styles to this particular about us section, like this. In about us sections, once we apply the style, it should look like this. First of all, once I move my mouse, the underline will increase. Once I remove my mouse, the underline will disappear. Then once I hover my mouse over any of the image, then it little bit rotate and zoom. Okay, will increase. Once I remove my mouse, the underline will disappear. Then once I hover my mouse over any of the image, then it little bit rotate and zoom. Okay, let me start. Open the Sublime text. This is the project we have done, like here. Let me add the about us. We have completed the header part. We have completed the extra deep part. We have completed the about us part. Okay. Open the style set. Here. About. Okay. First, I will give the style to that particular section. My section, I have used the ID about us. Then first, that is till now you are comfortable that what we are doing. First, we are giving the padding to the particular section. Like here, I am giving the padding top 1 rem and padding bottom 2 rem. Then height, I am giving 100 vh, means it will take the complete screen. Then color, I am giving has 8D9 7AD. You can use any color of your choice. And font weight, I'm keeping font weight 300. Let me show you. Okay. See, height 100 vh means you can see that it is about a sections is taking the complete screen of your device. That is meant by 100 vh. If you view height, 100 view height. If you don't want that it will take the complete screen, then you can change the height based on your need, like 60 vh, 70 vh, 80 vh, like that. And now this is the color I have applied, and I have applied the font weight light. That's why it is looking little bit light. Then I will design this part. Okay. Dot about heading. This is the class name I have given for that particular section. Text transform, capital uppercase. See here my text is already in uppercase because I have copied from this particular website and paste it. But when you write actually you are not writing in the uppercase, you are writing normally in the lowercase. That's why I just want to change the whole sentence into uppercase. For that reason I have used text transform uppercase. Then position relative. Again here why I am using position relative, because I want to apply this particular style to this, and then this particular style position will be absolute. Okay, I have applied that. Now how can I get this thing? You might think that this is an underline and I just apply the animation to increase and decrease underline. You can do that, but here I have used pseudo element. Then what is pseudo element? You can read that. Pseudo element CSS. Okay. What is pseudo element? Pseudo element is used to style specified parts of an element. Okay. Like style the first letter or line of an element. Insert content before or after the content of an element. Here I want to style this part of the element. Only this thing. Okay. Then I want to insert one line after this particular content. That's why you can use pseudo element. If you want to insert before, then you are using before. If you want to insert it after, then you are using after. Definitely we are going to use after. Okay. These are the things you can get an overview of this, that what you can do with the pseudo element. Okay. Then I am going to add the pseudo element dot about heading colon after. First I will give some content. That content is definitely nothing. Then position, this position will be absolute. Then from top I am giving 100%, from left 50%, width. Here I am going to give the width to show you how it look like, but normally when we apply, we don't want to apply the width from the beginning. What we want, when we mouse hover on that particular element, then width will appear. Okay. Now let me show you how it look like. What happened? See here I have writing about only. This is about us. Here also about us. Again, nothing happened. Let me see that. About us heading. Just use 50%. Nothing is coming. Colon after. Let me give some content. Hello. Hello is coming. Yes. Here. Height I just give. Height. Auto. And okay, why it is not coming? Because I have not used. I just simply give the width. what it so that's why I just use the border bottom, and I am giving the border 3 pixel solid, and I am giving a color 3E4555. Okay, you get a border, but it is coming right side. I just want it in the center. Then last class I have told you, whenever you want something in center of the screen, simply use transform translate x minus 50%. Okay, it comes in center. Then I want to apply the transition all 0.3 second linear. Okay, but this transition will apply once you hover. Okay, dot about us heading hover after it width will become 37%, and here to see the effect this width must be 0%. There is no width. Once I hover, you get the line. Okay, you can directly put the underline, there is no problem, but this is another one way you can apply the animation using the pseudo element. That's why I have shown this way. Okay, this part is over. Then I will apply the styles to this all elements. First of all, I am going to write dot about us heading, no, dot about us, not dot, has about us, h1 comma has about us, h2, whatever you have written in h1, h2, h3, h4, h5 and h6, all will apply the same style. Okay, h3 has about us, h4 has about us, h5 and has about us, h6. All I am giving the color has 3E4555. You can see that it applied the color, but now I just want to change this color, only this color. First I have to see that how I have written this. See here, this color, I want to change that, and that we have written using h6. See, h6. That's why what we need to do, I can apply the separately, I can apply the color for h6, or you can apply the color for the subtitle. Okay, again here I am writing h6, line height 22 pixel, font size 18 pixel, and color, here I am giving the color this color. Okay, then here you have remembered that here I have applied under one class font weight medium. Okay, this particular class I will give the style font weight medium, and I want to maintain the font weight medium 500 because light is 400 and bold is 600. That's why we just maintain the medium font weight is 500 and color has 606060. Okay, change little bit color. Then this part is over, this side is over. Then we will come to this image side. Then for image side, first let me start with image shadow has about us dot image shadow. Here what basically we are going to do, we are going to apply the shadow 30 pixel RGBA 115 128 157 0.3. See here, it apply one shadow. You can see it, little bit shadow it has applied, and I have to see that I have applied the image shadow to all the image or not. See, image shadow, image shadow, image shadow, image shadow. Then once I hover the mouse, what effect I want to see? Has about us dot wrap about, this is the class name I have given, dot image hover. I need a transition all 0.2 second is in. Then the same thing hover transition scale. I need to zoom, that's why I am using scale 1.1. Then rotate 5 degrees. What happened? Why it has not applied? Achha, this class name is image over, not image hover. Again it has not applied. IMG over. Okay, here I have write transition. Here I should write transform. Okay. Let me show you. Okay. Then the last thing what I am going to show you, that this particular is coming little bit down. How we can do it? This is very simple. First, we need to write here a class like uneven. Okay. And here I can write copy paste dot uneven. Just give the margin top, how much down you want. Suppose I am giving 100 pixel. Okay, that's it. This about us is completed. Now we will see this part. Achieve your goals with SETI, this section. See, in this section, here, like I have one icon, one heading and one paragraph. This type of things we have done in the last project also. But in last project, I have shown you to do differently, and in this project, I will show you in different way. Okay, and here, once I refresh it, you can see that. See, this is here. That's why it is completing. Let me refresh. See, all the progress bar having the width 1. But once I move my mouse, it all get filled. Means I have applied the jQuery on it. Okay. Let me start. Let complete this. We have completed. Then achievement. Okay. First, I need to create a section, and I am giving section class achieve, and I am also giving one ID achieve. Inside that section, first I am creating a container because I want to keep it in the container class container, and here itself I am giving the container to a class name headings just like previous, and text center means whatever I write inside the container automatically it will go to the center. Then here